Do you know many people are having trouble with their TV volume not responding to the remote? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Check buttons. Ensure that all buttons on your remote move freely and are not stuck. Step 2. Check batteries. Inspect the remote's batteries for proper placement and charge. Replace if needed. Step 3. Remove obstacles. Remove any obstacles between the remote and the TV that might block the infrared signal. Step 4. Adjust volume. Ensure the TV's volume isn't muted and adjust the volume level using the TV or remote. Step 5. Reset TV. Unplug the TV for a minute to reset it, then reconnect and test the remote control. After these steps, your TV's remote should respond to the volume commands. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Philips users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.